Okay. So the question was, what is the material type controls?
User department views internal external PO, quantity and value updates, valuation, type of procurement.
Mhm.
This all controlled by material types.
Okay. So how this quantity value update controlling the metal master code? So you said quantity and
Sorry.
value update. You said quantity and value update was controlling by material type, right? So how it is controlling?
Yeah.
Can you give me an example? How the quantity and value update is working in the metal master record? How this material type is controlling the metal master record for quantity and value update? If you know yes, then tell yes, or else we'll continue for the next question.
But I don't know.
So also come again in detail.
Quantity and value update. And so you said
Okay.
quantity and value update in a metal type. So how it is
Okay.
responding? How it is controlling?
It is
It
it is controlling for pricing
control.
procedure because there is one step is there in pricing procedure. When we are activating this quantity and material and the value checkbox and material type, then only the pricing procedure will apply. I think based on that quantity, like
But we are talking about material type, right? Why it is coming prime user here? You said that the
Sir,
material type is controlling the quantity and value update. Okay, so
it controlling valuation area in plant. So
sorry.
in plant level,
Mhm.
it controls the valuation area.
Okay.
After material type, we will update in plant level like valuation area.
Mhm.
So we check, we do configuration like quantity and value update checkbox.
Okay, I
Checkmark.
understood that you are updating the checkbox quantity and value update, but where it will work,
Okay.
how it will works, how it will works. Okay, so there was one
During
more question.
MIGO process,
Uh,
during in MIGO process, it will
yeah,
updating like in
transaction event keys,
accounting entries keys and in quantity.
transaction event keys.
mhm. Okay, I'm just going to next question. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
Yeah,
what
okay,
was
sir.
the next control? So you said well, procurement type. So how this procurement type is controlling? What is the purpose of this procurement type? And what is the controlling here?
There is special indicators like a pipeline.
Mhm.
We do some checkboxes.
Consignment subcontract.
Yes.
Mhm. No, give me example how it
Yeah,
will
that
control.
is
How it will control. Give me example.
Control. Don't know, sir.
Okay. So user department, you said
and
user departments, right? In the material
Yes, sir.
types, it is controlling user department. So what it is user department? Why we need very important to update the user department?
For in department wise, some views will appear in for viewing the material master data.
Okay, if it is appear, okay. If it is not appearing, then what will be happen? No, why it's very important user departments in middle master account?
For salesperson, we restricted that how much we are procuring for that, and for maybe in for internal business cost.
My voice is too, your voice is too low. Can you just speak out loudly?
Uh, for for sales in business process,
Mhm.
the salesperson does not want to know like how much this material is how for how much money we will procuring it and how much it will be selling it.
So what is the question?
So why user departments are required
Mhm. What is your answer?
to restrict that thing, sir.
To restrict the
Uh, some material master views to some departments. We
why you
restrict that.
want to control? Because every department was important, right? Why you want to control that?
Uh,
Okay, what was the next control? What was the next control?
So for procurement types, can
Mhm.
I answer? Sir?
Yeah, please.
For, for suppose we are creating, there is a special procurement is there. One is pipeline, consignment, subcontracting.
Mhm.
For example, subcontracting, we are creating raw materials and giving those raw materials to vendor and expecting some finished product. At that
Mhm.
time, you need different raw materials and one finished product, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
So we have to create those raw materials, three raw materials and one finished product.
Mhm.
Like and also coming to pipeline procurement. For pipeline procurement, we cannot create a normal material. We can create a pipeline material, right?
Mhm.
So like gas, electricity,
Mhm.
uh, under pipeline material type, you can create these material
Mhm.
for doing pipeline procurement.
Okay.
This is the happen.
So what is the
I
question?
think
What is the answer? This is the answer you are talking
for
about? Procurement type.
procurement type, yes.
Mhm.
How it controls by material type, right?
Okay. 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 What are the next material type control?
uh,
So we'll
Valuation class is
discuss
valuation,
also
about
controls, sir.
valuation,
Valuation class,
valuation.
valuation class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by valuation class?
yes.
Sir,
Valuation
for
class means linkage between material type and the GL account.
Mhm.
Suppose we are defining the valuation class, it will uh, automatically it will update the GL accounts in
How
system.
how it will update GL account automatically?
Sir, in ROH we have
In
raw materials like metal raw materials or some raw materials like engine raw materials. So
Mhm.
we will assign for ROH one type. We will assign one valuation class. In when we receive the material, that valuation class is affect the GL accounts.
Now how?
how GL account means by using automatic account determination.
Mhm.
It means that we cannot valuation class cannot link directly define the GL accounts by using the by taking the help of account category reference.
Mhm.
It can do system will define the GL accounts based on the movement types.
Mhm.
Like
Okay. Account category reference, how it is connected to GL account?
account category reference is connected to material type and valuation class. It is indirectly linked to the GL account. It
Mhm.
cannot direct link.
Okay.
Don't have any direct link.
Mhm. Okay.
First account category reference
But
means it is link. Sorry.
but my,
Yes, sir.
my case
Continue.
was no. In my case, for the same material, I have two different valuation classes.
For same method we have.
So for the same material,
No, sir.
I have two
Yeah,
different
yeah.
valuation classes. Is it possible? Can you have that one material
I
have?
don't. I think it's not possible. I think because there is a one field is there.
It's possible, sir, but I forgot that connection.
If it is possible, then why? If it is not possible, then why? The reason I need reason why it is not possible and why it is possible.
I think it's not possible. I think, sir. Just guessing.
Mhm.
Because whenever you are filling the data of valuation class, there is a one field is there.
Mhm.
There is no other field we have to add. We can add.
Okay. So what is the difference between the
I think
document category and valuation category?
valuation category, document category means based on the document category, we can define whether it is internal document, purchasing order, request for quotation, like that
Mhm.
document category.
Mhm. Okay, what is the account category? Sir, document valuation category and
Valuation category means to define the GL accounts, like where the valuation take place, it will areas, I think.
hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
hello,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Valuation category.
This sir,
Yes.
maybe MIFI integration. It's too bit confusing.
Okay.
Valuation category means, I think valuation class is also,
Okay. So document types and info types.
yeah, okay.
So document type and info type.
Document
What's the document type?
types and info types,
Yeah.
right, sir?
Yeah.
Info
Document
type
types
means
maybe NB, AN,
document types
MW.
means, yeah, based on the document type, you can easily identify the which is this document, like purchase order, purchase requisition. For purchase requisition and purchase order, NB is the standard document,
Mhm.
and request for quotation AN is the standard document type.
Standard.
Mhm.
WK, MK, WK is for value contract, and MK is quantity contract. LP is for schedule agreement. Based on this standard documentation, we can also create our customizable
Mhm.
document types
Okay.
by taking this reference.
Okay.
Coming to info category means purchase info category, sir, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is four categories there. One is standard,
Mhm.
pipeline, consignment, and subcontracting.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. So if I
Yes, sir. Yes.
created, okay, if I created one info record, okay,
Okay.
so with the same material number A and vendor number X and purchasing organization
Okay.
content. Okay, I have created the
Okay.
one info record. Okay. Now I am
Okay.
trying to create the same vendor, same material, same purchasing organization for the subcontracting. And I'm trying to create the same purchasing organization with reference to purchase organization, material plant, and again I am creating for the consignment. Okay, like I have created for the four, like standard, in consignment, and pipeline, and subcontracting. All four I created info records. Okay, so
Okay.
is it possible with the same vendor for all the info records?
I think it is possible for same vendor, but it is not possible with the same material, because pipeline is very different category, because we are creating material under pipeline material
Okay,
pipeline
okay, leave it about
material
the
type.
pipeline. Okay,
So
leave it about the pipeline. Subcontracting, consignment, and um,
We will change the item category, sir. For subcontracting, it's the item category is L,
no,
and vendor consignment it is
I'm
a
talking
K.
about info
no,
record.
no, no.
I'm talking about
Yes,
info
yes.
record. I'm
Yes,
talking about info
yeah,
record. Yeah.
yes, I think we can create, I think,
Okay. If it is created, then how you will be differentiating these three record?
because there is info category is different because one is standard, one is consignment, one is subcontracting.
Okay. If
This
I
is the difference between these three. Yes,
am
yes, sir.
okay, if I'm using if I'm creating the three info record numbers, okay.
Okay.
So how we can differentiate in the table level? Can we have that different info record numbers to use that, or how it is like? Because I have created different info types, right? So now I have created
Yeah.
standard info record number, and again I have created a consignment info record number, and I have created subcontracting info record number. So these will be the three info record numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So also come again, sir. I did.
So I am creating that info record for the same combination, plant, material,
Okay.
uh, purchase organization, and
Vendor.
all are it is same combination. So I'm creating the standard info record, then I'm creating the consignment info record, then I'm creating the subcontracting info record. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
when I'm just creating the PO, so I just want to take the reference. Okay. So I'm just going for the standard info record, or I just want to go with the subcontracting info record. I just want to go with the consignment info record number. So okay, so can we see that? Okay, the different number for that.
Yeah, yes, sir. There is some system indicates some bug message.
Okay, so info
If
record
you
number
are
will be different.
creating, yes, yes.
Info record number will be different for the each info type, right?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So you are entering manually info record number in the PO, or a system will pick automatically?
We have to enter manually. If in case we are maintaining purchase requisition in that purchase requisition we are maintaining that info record, the system will pick automatically because we are creating PO by taking reference of purchase requisition. In that document we are already maintained that info record number. So no need to manually enter, I think.
Okay. So standard PO document type and framework order type document type. So what is the
NB.
difference?
NB and FO.
Yes, NB and FO.
I know that NB and FO. What is the difference?
It's a service. Service.
So which one? NB is service? FO is service.
NB is the
FI is
standard.
service, NB is normal.
Okay, so I can use the NB for the services?
Yes, sir, you can use
So then what is the difference?
by selecting the item category as the D service, we can
then
use the NB.
what is the difference then? Why we have the two different document type NB and FO? If we can use the services for the NB, then why we need FO? Why SAP provided FO?
Service master. I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can we use the service? Okay. Can we use that item category and account assignment category both together in the one PO?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can use in service procurement.
Service procurement.
What is the purpose of that? What is the use of that?
Because in service procurement we are not defining the material. That's why we are defining the account assignment category as cost center. It is indirect procurement, right? That's why we are
No. What is the difference?
using both.
No. What is the difference between the item category and account assignment category?
Item category defines for the special procurement like subcontracting, consignment pipeline, services like For the account assignment category, it defines the for suppose
It is for
cost
FI
center.
people, like cost center, which cost center?
It is for indirect procurement, sir. That is for item category is for special procurement. It is for indirect procurement.
Mhm.
Account assignment category.
So what is the difference between direct and indirect procurement?
In direct procurement, we can define the material. There is a BOM, bill of material is there. But in indirect procurement, we cannot define material. We can use account assignment categories, K cost center, P project, like
Mhm. So
to
what is the
procure
meaning?
this.
Meaning, what is the meaning? What is the exactly meaning for this? These two? What is the exactly meaning of?
In direct
Yeah.
In direct procurement, we are procuring the material directly. No need to do any indirect. We are procuring. Suppose I want this material. I update this material. I want this material. I want this quantity. Like, but in indirect, we cannot
So do you mean that in
do
direct
that.
material we cannot use any material number?
No, sir.
Why not?
Why not, sir? We use like in service master.
No, it is only for services,
Sir,
indirect procurement.
no, sir. Cost center, K type procurement.
Hmm. So, not services, right? Both we can use for
Yeah,
non-services
yeah.
also, right? So in that case,
Yes, sir.
why
Not for
should
only
not?
services.
So why should not create a material for this indirect procurement?
For suppose for by FI team creating those PO, they don't know material. I think
No, my question
at
was.
the time they
So my question was,
yeah
why the indirect procurement don't have the material number? Why it is not possible? So did you try with that? With your account assessment category and if the system entering the
yes sir
material number, did you get any error?
no yes for the cost center we cannot we do not add material, but for Q there is a Q assignment category is there. That
Hmm.
is I think project make to order. We can add material number also in that
So in that,
procurement.
so you said that indirect materials always we have the account assessment category and direct materials don't
No
have
sir.
the account assessment category. But in this case, you are saying again the materials is having that for an account assessment
Yes
category.
sir.
Which
Yes,
one
sir.
is
For
that?
Q type account assignment category, we have to update material number.
So then for indirect also we have the material number.
Bill of materials is not there, I think, in indirect material procurement.
So why you coming with bill of material? I didn't understand why you are coming with bill of material. What's the purpose of bill of material here? In this case, what is the purpose of bill of material? Because most of the material we are buying, we don't have bill of material, right?
Yes, sir.
So why you calling of always bill of material?
Bill of material means actually it is description. We can defining the material description like so, but in indirect procurement we cannot
Sir, in indirect
define that.
procurement, we not define the material type. So for that, not we can't assign the material type.
Mhm.
Through material type, it is linked to the like number ranges and everything.
Sorry, which number is?
That's
Which number is?
that
Sorry.
that material type is
GLF.
linked to the number ranges.
No,
So for service, so that there is no material number, I think so.
but you have service number master record, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can use the service number, right? But
Yes.
why you calling always indirect material as a services? We have non-services also is there, indirect procurement.
Yeah,
Right?
yes, sir.
So why you calling always services? Okay, so whatever I just asked you today, it was the basic questions, okay? Small questions. Even I didn't go to the any in depth after any topic. Just asking about the basic question. So when was the next mock interview?
Uh,
Sunday?
yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
We will
Okay.
prepare it.
So we'll have a call. We'll have a mock interview on Sunday. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
just see that what are the questions today I just asked. Just revise again. So most of the questions what you answered are wrong. Mostly of 90%.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So just see again.